up, guys? Mike here. I got a lot of requests from you guys asking me to do an update video on Rocket Company's ticker symbol RKT. Now, a lot of you seem to be very excited about this company, especially since they just had a short squeeze thanks to the GameStop and Wall Street bets. And a lot of you seem to be very excited about this company, and you keep asking me whether you should get back in it, whether it's a good time to buy now that the market is down, now that the stock is down. And in this video, we're going to go over all of that. We're going to go over some technical analysis, some charts, some financials of the company, and also a few things that the CEO has plans to do with the company. And I'm going to break all that down for you guys in this video, guys. So anyways, I don't want to waste too much time. Let's just get right deep into the video. Make sure you guys always smash that like button, hit subscribe, and also join my new Patreon page. We are making some crazy moves in there. This week has been phenomenal. Of course, right before these last few days before the market has just went to hell. But the few days before that, we've just done insane. We've made some crazy gains, and I'm hoping we're going to make some more with them. So make sure you guys join our Patreon page. So with that said, let's begin. Yeah. So if you guys don't know what Rocket Companies is or does, they're pretty much a refinancial for loan mortgage company. They give out loans for people who want to buy homes, or if they want to refinance their loans for a current loan they have. Rocket Companies is the company you would go to get those types of mortgage loans. So they pretty much focus mostly on mortgage loans. They have other loans, but that's their main focus. And right now, this company is doing absolutely fantastic. All right, the revenue growth is absolutely insane. Just check that out. Revenue increase 144% year over year. That's a $4.7 billion they made in the fourth quarter. The company also just recently had a dividend. They did a special dividend for $1.11 for just everyone else who owns common shares. That's Class A, you and me, that's us. Everyone on the stocks exchange owns Class A shares, and they just paid out $1.11 per share. Now, because of this, a lot of shorts got killed. Okay, usually when a company does a dividend, and if there's a high volume of shorts, pretty much the shorts have to cover up and pay for the dividend. And if we move to the charts, guess what happened? The shorts covered, man. They got wrecked. They honestly got destroyed, all right? Shorts had to cover really bad. Stock was up 70% in a single trading day. And, of course, the rest of the day just died. Shorts had to cover hard, all right? They had to pay for this dividend. They deserved to be screwed and killed, and that's what happened. They thought they could continuously short the stock, and the CEO wasn't too happy about the stock. The CEO was not happy with the stock constantly going from 24 all the way back down to below 20. And he's like, forget this. I am going to destroy these shorts. He announces a dividend, and he still also announced that he has not done the $1 billion share buyback yet. So that's still to come. All right. So, guys, the company still has that $1 billion share buyback they promised. That's what he said on the interview, on the call. And the shorts got wrecked. All right. They pretty much got destroyed. You see that. You see the huge gain on that day. Just one day, 70% gain is absolutely insane. And I'm pretty happy about that because I was actually holding this stock. I told you, a lot of you guys, to buy this around 20 or below, trade it, sell covered calls on it, and just chill on it. And that day was a very special day. I got to chill on this, and it exploded on me, and I'm like, oh dang. And I just was waiting, and I sold around $40 a share. I don't get greedy. I saw it go to 41, and it dropped back down to like 37, 38. I'm like, I gotta get out. It went back to $40. I got out. That was awesome gains for me for that day. So pretty much this company is a very profitable company. As you guys can see, it is not a joke of a company. They're not losing money. They're constantly making billions of dollars year over year. They're constantly growing. It's a very high-powered growth company in revenue. It's not a high-powered growth stock, but it is a high-powered growth company. It's pretty much like a bank, and they just make billions of dollars year after year, all right? And as long as interest rates stay low, they're going to constantly make more money. People are going to keep refinancing their loans, and they're going to keep getting new clients. I'm going to make more money year over year. All right. Once the interest rate starts moving up, this company is going to have some backdrops, right? So it's obvious. Once interest rate goes up, this company is going to make less revenue, right? So you guys have to think about that at the same time. That is what's going to happen. But in the meantime, just splurge on all the good news they keep having, right? The CEO is a pretty good CEO. They're trying to make the stock move, but the shorts are just such a high shorted company. This company is extremely shorted, so it's hard to get into this company. Moving to the charts, where is a good opportunity to buy this stock? I'm going to be straightforward with you. This is one of the fewest times that I am going to be in this video and telling you not to buy. All right, I never say buy. I don't buy. I'm always like, all right, around this price, get in. This is something I'm telling you guys right now. Wait, do not buy. All right, I understand this is like, it's pretty much reaching support levels around $22. But I would not buy around $22. I am telling you, I am very bearish right now, especially as the market keeps going down. I am bearish. I would not encourage you guys to buy until Rocket Companies goes to $20 or below. I would not tell you guys to buy until it is below $20. That is where I see a fair price. Somewhere in the 19, 18, 20 bucks is a fair price to get in. And then you could always ride this back up to 22, 23, to around $24 is usually where it goes to. It usually goes to around $22.80. That's where I always see it stop and then get shorted right back down. But this, I wouldn't pay anything above $20 a share for this, and I would just hold once I do it. And I continuously sell covered calls on it because that's what I've been doing the past 6 months on this. And right now I own 0 shares. I am waiting for this company to go back around $20 or below. I will not buy a single share until it is below $20. So this is a video where you guys never hear me say buy. Actually, you always hear me say buy, but this is a video where I'm going to tell you do not buy until it goes down. Why? Look at that. MACD, everything crossing. MACD just crossed over. It's a full-on sell signal right here. Right here with the MACD, it's a full-on sell signal. Sell signal. All right. Histogram, we have a shift downwards momentum. Histogram's going down. Everything's bearish, right? This company right now is full on bearish, right? There is no good news right now besides the share buyback. And that will be the only thing that will probably push it back up once the CEO does his $1 billion share buyback, which they did release a note that they are planning. But this is the special dividend they announced, $1.11 on February 25th, right? So let's move back to the charts. Right now, this is a bearish signal. I would tell you guys not to buy. Right now, RSI still high. I'm waiting for it to go to around 30, 35 RSI. That's where it's going to start showing some undervalued, and that's probably going to be below $20, right around 20. It could go to 18, 19, $20 this stock. And that's why you guys to buy shares, hold, start selling covered calls on it, and ride it all the way back to around $22 to $24. And that's where you can sell it. This is a great trade for a swing stock. If you want to hold it long term, that's definitely fine. You can do it. This is a company definitely worth holding long term. I would recommend it. And just keep selling covered calls on it, right? Make money selling covered calls on this company. It is definitely a very stable, pretty safe once you buy it around $20 or below. It's relatively safe around that price to hold, because you barely ever see it breaking around $17, right? The lowest I've seen this go is $16.99, and that is pretty good for this company. It is very stable, very safe around this $18 to $20 area. It usually starts moving up, and the reason why it's so stable is that's where the shorts just let it go. The shorts keep shorting the heck out of this company. Right? It is not even funny how badly they short the shares on this company, right? So it really makes it hard to hold this company long term, because every time it starts moving up, shorts just attack it heavily, and they bring the price right back down to 20, 18, 19. So that's where I would say, bro, start buying, adding shares, adding dips on around 20 bucks or below, and start selling if you're doing a trade around 22.80 and above. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I post buys, sells on Instagram. I pretty much post mostly on the Patreon page if I'm doing anything. So make sure to join us there if you want all the inside scoops and all the buys and sells. Check the Patreon page, link in the description box below. But other than that, make sure to leave a comment below. Let me know what other stocks you'd like me to do a video on, or if you have a question on specific stock, leave a comment below and I'd be happy to help you guys out. And also, guys, right now, WeBull has a promotion where they're giving 4 free stocks, 2 when you sign up to use their platform, and 2 more when you make a deposit of $100 or more. WeBull will give you 2 of those stocks, will be worth from $8 all the way up to $1,850. Check the link in the description box below for WeBull. If you want another free stock, FirstTrade gives out pretty good stocks. Check the link for that one. And finally, if you want another free stock, of course, Robinhood gives out free stocks. Check the link for all those down in the description box, especially with the Patreon page. Thanks again for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.